Do I need a visa to visit Bora Bora? Bora Bora, a tropical paradise known for its pristine waters and white sand beaches, is a dream destination. But before you pack your bags, it's crucial to understand the visa requirements. Most visitors, including those from the European Union, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United States, can enter Bora Bora without a visa for up to 90 days. However, you must have a valid passport with at least 6 months left before it expires. If you plan to stay longer, work, or study, you'll need to apply for a visa through the French embassy or consulate in your country. In addition to visa requirements, you must meet certain entry conditions. You need proof of a return or onward ticket and the ability to cover your stay's expenses. It's typically advised to have at least $50 per day available. Also, remember to check for any prohibited items before your travel. When planning a trip to Bora Bora, be aware of the health regulations. If you're coming from a place where yellow fever is present, you'll need proof of vaccination. It's also crucial to take precautions against mosquito-borne diseases and sunstroke. Ensure you have travel insurance that includes medical evacuation. French Polynesia has strict customs rules.
Certain goods like weapons, drugs, and pornographic materials are prohibited.
Also, the export of cultural treasures is restricted. If you're unsure about what you can bring, consult with the French embassy or consulate before your travel. To make the most of your Bora Bora trip, plan during the shoulder season from May to October for lower rates. Book your accommodation in advance and research the various activities available on the island. Be prepared for the high cost of living, but remember, there are ways to cut costs if you're on a budget. Bora Bora is a stunning destination offering a wide range of activities. By being aware of the visa, entry, health, and customs requirements, you can ensure a successful vacation and create priceless memories. Book with a Bora Bora specialist at Far and Away Adventures.